1998 Air Nautique. This is the second year for the Air Nautique. This one is in a neutral hull and deck, Masters black stripe and Zephyr upper stripe. All original graphics. This has the OG flight control tower on it. And this model is the first year for ballast. So it says dual ballast tanks in it. Is a direct drive. Set up with the GT40 engine by PCM. It's got 788 hours on it. But flight control tower's got flight clips, bimini top. Gel is in awesome shape. Interior is in amazing shape. Really the only thing to point out on the exterior of the boat is these graphics are a little dinged up on our starboard side. Port side looks a lot better. But overall, really nice boat. And let's go ahead and hop inside and check out the interior on this thing. Inside the 98 Air Nautique, we have neutral main on the vinyl, as well as neutral piping. We have black accent vinyl, and you can see that on the sun pad back here. Interior's in awesome shape. Got a teak platform, ski locker in the back, plenty of room for storage, and also the full cover on here. Super clean inside. Back seats, great condition. A little bit closer here. Back center seat snaps out. The carpeted seat base there. See, even the embroidery is in good shape, so awesome there. Couple cup holders on either side of the engine. 4-speaker stereo. Shower option. Homing pads, awesome shape. It's really hard to find anything wrong with the vinyl in the boat. It's all really, really nice. Engine hatch / cover, awesome condition. I apologize if there's any wind noise coming through. Try to speak up a little bit more. Motor-wise, we have the GT40 freshly serviced at our shop. Fresh oil filters, all the goodies on there, and this thing runs really nice. Fires right up with 788 hours on it. And we'll get some running footage here in a moment. But let me close this thing up real quick. Love seats, looking good. Flip that up. We've got some storage continuing up into the bow. You can see we have the mirror. I don't have it mounted up right now, but it does include one. Fire extinguisher. And in the middle here we have the ski locker, which has the poles for the cover under there, as well as an oar. Carpet's in good shape. Probably, some little tiny stains here and there. Nothing really of any huge significance. Just like the vinyl, everything's in pretty good shape. We have a small glove box on the other side here. Excuse me, we have some stuff left in here for now. We'll get that out of there. It looks like there's an owner's manual, instrumentation, quiet horn, blower, ignition, bilge pump, all the instrumentation on the dash. Turn the key here. Water temp, oil pressure. I'll fire the engine. Everything comes up. Engine temp. I haven't ran it for long, so it hasn't warmed up yet. Twin speedos, fuel gauge, voltage, and our depth gauge. does not work. Do have the stereo down here. I think it's just a USB, has Bluetooth, as far as I can gather. AM, FM radio, nothing crazy. You do have dual ballasts, so you can see the water levels there in the middle, and our hour meter, 788 hours. Over here on the right, got the perfect pass, and then down here you'll see ballast switches. And I don't believe, yeah, this does have the heater on it, so you got the switch for the heater, switches and valves to open up for your ballast. Seats 9. And coming up into the bow, seats are in great shape up front. Couple cup holders. Everything's looking good up there. Our header on the windshield has a couple small little scratches on them, nothing crazy, but the rest of it's actually in good shape. Lastly, let's take a look at our tower. So, early flight control tower has a couple board racks, flight clips, tow point, and bimini top on it. But this is the first, I believe the first wakeboard tower that Nautique came out with. So, pretty cool to see that on here. Let's check out some running footage of this thing.
There we are, 1998. Air Nautique. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. All right, give us a call. 317-845-9253. Get you hooked up with this beautiful 1998 Air Nautique.